2014 GMC Sierra SLT Texas Edition. Bright red paint, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, side step running boards, tinted windows with window visors, rear bumper protector, tow hitch trailer package, spray and bed liner. Power windows, locks, and mirrors, power folding mirrors, and memory driver seat. All with the floor mats. Wood grain trim throughout. Premium Bose sound system. Heated and cooled seats. Free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. Navigation somewhere. Steering wheel controls. Hands-free Bluetooth. Trailer brake controls. Auto headlights. Just under 183,000 miles. Come on, see us at U-Cars.